one of my favourites at the NEC is the Learn to Ride. Absolutely can't get enough of this, where you see people online moaning about ticket prices, and yet you can bring people to the show that don't have a motorcycle license, who have never ridden before, and they're given AVG helmets, RST, armoured jacket and gloves, and expert tuition.
Very much the same thing.
Nice helmets, RST jackets and gloves. I've actually been watching these riders for the last 25 minutes, from dragging their heels along the floor to then putting them up on the pegs, watching the trainers teaching them about clutch bite, or even riding an auto scooter. And this gentleman's right at the beginning of his riding career, and I hope he does become a motorcyclist. There you go, he's up on the pegs, look at that. Very cool. Everyone's given an introduction into the basic features and controls and safety aspects, just so that they feel more familiar with the machines. There's also a wide selection of bikes. Look at that gorgeous Yamaha XSR 125. You've got a Honda Grom looking motorcycle there. Suzuki GSX 125. Kawasaki. They are great Kawasaki's. I can see a Grom back there in blue. If you're thinking of starting on motorcycle, get a Grom 125. You will not regret it. There's such an amazing community around them, and parts galore. You can customize it to your nth degree. And the hottest bike here is going to be this, the KTM 125. It looks fantastic too. Quite a following for them. When you think basic CBT in the United Kingdom is 150 quid these days, and a member of your family or several members of your family can come in and get an introduction into motorcycling. Instructors are fantastic. They're so capable of explaining everything, way better than I am. I'm listening to some of this stuff thinking, I hadn't thought of that. So after the safety talk and control talk, the riders then get paired with an instructor and given the right safety equipment. The instructors then bring the bike to you, whether you're into automatic or geared. And if the bike doesn't suit you, there's quite a selection here to choose from. Yeah, there goes a Grom, good choice. Fantastic bikes to start off with. Ooh, the XSR, lovely. And the KTM, quite a nice little selection going on here already. The bikes are donated by the manufacturers, and the staff are paid for by the MCIA. So when you think you came here with a loved one that was curious about motorcycling, they can get a good 30 to 40 minutes in here learning how to control a motorcycle safely under instruction, included in the price of your ticket. There's a lot more. There's off-road, there's a lot more things available at the show, but I just love this. This is one of my favorites here, the fact that if you're just curious about motorcycling, you can get a wonderful crash course with skilled instructors. And 20 minutes from now, these guys and girls, instead of dragging their feet along the floor, be up on the pegs, changing gears, cornering, braking properly. This gentleman's first time on a motorcycle. You can see he got a little happy with the throttle there, and he's not sure of the brakes. Weren't we all like that when we started out? For me, I started out on a Yamaha FS1, so you'll understand my affinity with the XSRs and the Yamaha brand. And it was overwhelming for me when I, many moons ago, got my first bike. I'm just kind of envious because I never got instruction. I had to figure it out myself. "20 minutes from now, this guy's going to be up and down on his own, loving it." Just watching the lady with the Grom taking her first clutch out experience. Off she goes. They're cracking bikes, Honda Grom. Look at her go. See what I mean? Dragging their feet. 10 minutes from now, she'll be zipping up and down. Foot on peg, into second gear. Love it. There's the Duke 125. Baby steps. You guys can do it. We're all rooting for you. 5 minutes later, here's our guy with the XSR. Feet up on the pegs. Looking cool. Well done, mate. She's smiling. I could watch this all day long. It's absolutely brilliant. Watching people discover motorcycling for the first time. Yeah, look at the confidence. He's moving the bike around. So when the instructors don't feel confident with you, they move the bike for you. And he's just done a Yui. That's it. Nice and easy, mate. Look at him go. And this isn't costing him a penny. That's it, mate. Feet up on those pegs. Cracking. Well done. He's got it, hasn't he? He's got it. All you need to do is turn up at the Learn to Ride stand, sign in, give them your details. They'll give you a slot, a time slot during the day to come back. Go and enjoy the rest of the show. Pop back at your allotted time. Go through your safety briefing. And if you're ready, step out into the arena on your first motorcycle ride. And there are a lot more motorcycle skill-based activities for riders with off-road intent. If you're into electric bikes, every hall has the ability for you to sign up and try a different aspect of motorcycling. Wonderful. Thanks for watching.